Hi, welcome to Jamaican Cooking 101. Today we're doing a bit of holiday cooking and we have a very special someone, and it is no other than Monique. Say hi to everybody, Monique.
Hi guys.
Alright, so Monique is going to be helping out with cooking today and I'll be her assistant. So let's prep the ingredients and we'll be right back. Welcome back everyone. So we have our ingredients prepped and ready to go. Monique, is what we're cooking?
Just a little bit of curried fish and callaloo rice.
Oh.
Alright. So we do have our lemon for garnish, fish of course, curry, some freshly chopped carrot, lot of garnishes such as basil, thyme, season. Yeah. So we're now just gonna add the water for the rice. Yeah, so a bit of judging here, Yeah. And then now we're gonna add the callaloo, of course. Salt to taste, that is. And a little bit of
blended seasoning. No blended seasoning, yes. And is what that now?
butter.
Some butter.
Just some butter.
Okay.
Alright.
So we bring that to a boil.
Yes, most definitely. And now we're just gonna do the fish. So pour in the oil, just enough to saute
the vegetables. You gonna burn the curry for this?
Yes, just so. So add in the curry now.
The money in a think that I will leave.
Me know me I do, man.
Bet you spoil. Alright, me could see. Alright, go on. What you do now?
Alright. So just stir in the curry, allow it to burn a bit. And then I got add
the seasoning.
So
it's what that now?
That's just the chopped onions.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so freshly chopped, of course. Then I'm gonna add the scallion.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. And afterwards I'm gonna add the
it's what I know, sweet pepper. Sweet pepper, man.
Yeah, the chopped sweet peppers, and then
the garlic. Yeah, man.
Right.
So you cut them up yourself?
Of course, my top chef, So stirring that now a little bit.
So it not burn?
No.
So it's a look.
Alright, so we're checking in on the callaloo to see if the rice ready, guys.
We're not putting the rice yet, man.
No, we're just checking in. Alright, so get that a nice stir. Alright.
Oh, you want me to wash the rice for you? Alright, me wash the rice.
Alright, so I'm just adding a bit of water now to add like the carrot and the Irish to have them cooked. Just a bit before we add the fish, alright?
Oh, the Irish potato going cook and thicken up the sauce. Yes?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So then, it's how long the fish going to take to cook?
Well, it's
a basa fish?
Yes, so it won't take long.
Oh, okay.
So it's quicker than the normal fish, just the same. Alright, so I'm just adding the carrots now and the Irish as mentioned earlier.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Allow them
to smell good.
Yeah, most definitely a top chef.
What else that will be spoiled? You ever cooked curry fish before?
Well, not with the
basa fish?
Basa fish, not with the basa fish.
Oh, okay.
Alright, so thanks for washing the rice, of course. Adding it now. No waste, so we'll take out everything. Yeah, give that a nice stir now. Then allow it to steam, of course. Alright.
Alright, so let's see what's going on.
Alright, so just allow it to steam now. So check him up with it. Now we're just gonna add the fish. Alright, so just evenly spread them in the pot. Everybody get their own space. Nice and cooked.
The fish fleshy though. Yeah, it smells good. So Monique, what if we never have the basa fish?
Well, any fish can curry, we are Jamaican, so always turn hand makes fashion. So just trying out something new today. Alright,
okay.
Yeah, so I'm just add the garnish, so the basil and the pepper. So let that simmering down now. I remember it don't take long. So checking in on the rice now to see what's going on with her. Color the
Monique,
rice.
it a go on, man. Fluffy.
Like,
Hey, fluffy with you, man. Yeah.
alright. So stay in the deal to see if the grains are cooked. Alright, so leave it to simmer a bit more, just the same. Now we're checking in back on the fish. So smell good just the same. Pepper smell really spicy and nice. Alright, so just go and turn them onto the other side, and there we go.
Yeah.
So
The gravy a thick nut, man.
yeah, man, the Irish do all of that. Alright, but we have a nice brown color here.
But they tell you say too much curry, you know. You feel say it?
It will still taste good.
Alright. Well, we'll see. Viewers, me will tell you if it tastes good. Alright, so we're gonna turn off. We're gonna turn it or make it cook
Just
some
allow
more.
it to simmer a bit more, and then you can turn off. So less than 15 minutes, guys.
Okay.
Alright. So the rice now it's through steaming. Look really fluffy and nice. Smell good too. And I know it will taste good most definitely.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Alright.
So we are share out here now, Monique.
Yeah, just doing the plating. So I already have the lemon
Slices, the lemon slices. Yeah, that go well with fish. But Monique, you're bad, man. You get the rice come out good. Yeah, fish look nice and now.
Alright. So we're just plating. I'll let you guys have the final look. Wish you could smell it because it's really good.
Yeah, man.
Alright. So here's the final look, guys. So our curried fish with kalaloo rice.
Yeah, man. I mean, like, so you add in some vegetables, even though the kalaloo in the rice, you know, you add some extra vegetables, and that's good. Well, me will tell you how it tastes. Remember to like,
comment,
share,
and subscribe.
Happy cooking!